solve 5 cos x plus minus 2 sin x is equal to 2 for x being between minus 180 and 180 degrees. So we've got to aim is to rewrite in the form r cos theta plus alpha. So we've got 5 cos x minus 2 sin x is equal to 2. So r will be 5 squared plus 2 squared. So you take the 5 and the 2 and square them. That's going to give the square root of 29, 25 plus 4. And then if we draw a right angled triangle, if we're going to write this in the form cos, then this is going to be cos alpha cos x. So cos alpha will have to be 5 over root 29. So the adjacent side will have to be the 5, and the opposite side will have to be the 2, and the hypotenuse will be the value of r, which is the square root of 29. Alpha will be tan to the minus 1 of 2/5, which is 21.80 degrees. So we've got 5 cos x minus 2 sin x is equal to 2 to solve. So that becomes root 29 cos x plus 21.80 is equal to 2. Therefore, if we now divide by the square root of 29, we get cos of x plus 21.80 is equal to 2 over root 29. And then do cos to the minus 1 of 2 over root 29, which is 68.20 degrees. Do our South Asian Tennis Club or cast diagram. We want to know where it is positive, so it's cosine positive in the first and the fourth quadrants. So we draw our angles in there at 68.20 and 68.20. Note that we're solving from minus 180 to 180. So x plus 21.8 will be minus 68.2 or 68.2. And then when we subtract 21.8, we're going to get minus 90 or 44.4 degrees. So this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation of the type a cos x minus b sin x is equal to some value between the values of x being 180 degrees, minus 180 degrees and 180 degrees. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.